zone, the homeowner's best friend.
The structural side's very interesting as well because you're looking for a needle in a haystack, literally. One sector of the pool that has just maybe some missing pebble tech could be pulling dye and causing a 3-inch water loss per day. So the structural leaks definitely are fascinating. The root-related issues are fascinating. It's just really all over the place.
And then you were mentioning during the break just what a homeowner can do in a half hour to determine if they've got a leak.
Yeah, it's so simple in a lot of ways,
Maybe not where the leak is, but if they've got one.
to determine, right? Because you want to make sure that if you're calling us, it's for good reason, right? You're paying irregardless if we find a leak. We want to make sure that you've done some preliminary things to make sure that you have it. So run the pool for a good 20, 30, 40 minutes, walk around the yard, run all the features, run the water feature, run the pop-ups, run the filtration pump, run them in high speed, not low speed, because low speed may mask something that's smaller that only becomes worse during its high speed run times. And then look for areas of the pool structure that could be pooling with water if you're lucky enough to get it to come to the surface, or maybe white calcification buildup on the backside of a water feature or a shear descent column could indicate something.